few things out of the camper van, and then we're going to set things up on the front lawn. And I think it's time to do a bit of cooking. We've got a little grill here, little electric grill, and I've got some bangers I'm going to cook up. Sun's gone round now. We've been sitting out here in the sunshine and it's been absolutely beautiful, but getting hungry, so let's do some cooking. Doing all this work and haven't even had a beer yet. So that's what I'm using, is the Quest Healthy Griddle, and we bought that for $22.99. Well, it was marked at £28, but got it for 23 at Norwich Camping a few years ago. So should be able to get it for under 30 quid, I would have thought, but that's what it looks like. Look at that, I'm just plugging it into a standard extension lead from the house, and away we go. Well, I'm not going short tonight.